California State University Long Beach, we are proud to introduce the Applied Data Analytics for Higher Education online course. This is the first of 3 courses in a self-paced certification program that provides the tools and knowledge to develop data-driven skills that can be applied to student and faculty data, turning information into impactful insights to better improve the university experience for all. Whether you are a student, professional, or transitioning into higher education, this course introduces the essential applied data analytic tools and methods for analyzing student success data, focusing on key insights that drive student success. You will learn to calculate and apply real-world metrics, gain hands-on experience with data cleansing and visualization, make data-driven decisions with actionable insights, solve challenges for institutions, and apply analytics in different educational settings. Ready to see the difference this course can make? Hear directly from our first participants.
So my motivation for taking this course was a recommendation from one of my professors.
So I've been considering a pivot into education analytics, and I have a background in advanced data analytics, but that was very generic, and I really wanted to get specifically into higher education analytics. I just did a search for online programs. This popped up, and it seemed to fit perfectly with its application specifically to higher education.
I enrolled in this course to really strengthen my technical skills and to better understand how data can be used to support student success. I have a background in applied mathematics. When this course came along, I thought it was like the perfect opportunity for me to bridge that experience.
So the experience was a little intimidating at first because even though the course was marketed as you don't need to have any coding experience, there were other people in the class that did have significant coding backgrounds in their work life. And I didn't have any of that at all. So at first it was really intimidating, but the staff and the instructors were so incredibly supportive. It helped me to continue to persevere. And then about midway through, it clicked and I started to understand.
The visualization piece was really, really helpful. The combination of the coding plus the AI really gives you a lot of options to visualize data. And I feel like visualizing data is a really efficient way to make it digestible for people.
I think it was really valuable because it increased my understanding of how data analytics can be used to inform decision making. And so I think something like that is so important in higher education now in a public university where resources are often very tight and we're having to justify why we want to do something or if our programs are effective in what we are doing.
In school, we're kind of just given perfect data sets, but with this program, I was able to jump in with incomplete or dirty data sets, get what I needed in order to go to the next phase of our modeling approach.
The bulk of the learning and the difficult stuff is the programming. If you're already familiar with Python and Canvas specifically, value to you would probably be more in learning the language, learning the definitions, learning the formulas, and actually applying.
It could be intimidating, just the words like data analytics. Usually when people see the word data, they immediately think, okay, I'm gonna have to stare at numbers or I'm gonna have to learn how to code. Yes, you're gonna learn how to code, but you don't need a background in that.
And the other thing I did also want to say with respect to the work at your own pace for this course, I have to say the faculty and instructors were really helpful. They walked us through it. They answered all of our questions.
If you're even remotely interested in this, do it because it's a great challenge. It was a personal challenge, I felt like, but it also gave me some really useful tools and it opened up opportunities afterwards. For example, I was talking to someone in my college, another faculty, about data things that he was doing and that I was doing. And because I had that awareness for data and the different platforms, we got into this really great conversation that then led to the formation of a data fellows team, which I now have just started. So you never know what opportunity is just around the corner because you decided to take that step and increase your knowledge in a different way.
At CSULB, the Applied Data Analytics for Higher Education program goes beyond skill building. It's a pathway to unlock the tools to innovate, make informed decisions, and lead the future of higher education. Take the next step today and turn data into impact. Scan the QR code to visit the Applied Data Analytics for Higher Education website now to learn more about the program.